Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so just tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so just open the settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down to find the option About Phone and tap on it. And then scroll down and localize the option Status and tap. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.